You are lifesaver. She's amazing. She's just amazing. I'm almost 11 years in UAE. There's always a lot to do outside. You spend time in traffic, you spend time meeting friends, work of course. We said, okay, let's keep the cleanliness at home, but look for someone who's coming to us probably every alternative day. I decided to look after companies who can take care of my home. So when I found you, you are offering those monthly packages, which is absolutely convenient for me. The same person coming to me, she knows me, she knows my habits, she knows habits of my husband, she knows my home, she knows all papi papu, what is needed to be done. So she reads me, she knows me, and that was the first girl until now she's with me. I'm very happy. All that we need, a clean home. And she's absolutely excellent. You trust to this person. She's amazing. She's just amazing. I'm very happy, and I will to everyone tell only the good story about. You take one person, you feel home, you feel safe, because every time you can come back and you know what's happening in your home. You just trust, because we are the same human being. And it's wonderful that you are guys there and you offering this kind of packages. You are lifesaver. It's good for anything. It's good for your business, it's good for your home. I recommend definitely.